Hello, grammarian. How are you today, everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. Okay, today in our grammar lesson, we will be talking about two important pronouns that you made a lot of mistakes between them. I know they both mean the same thing, but we can't use them the same. Okay, we have these two pronouns. Let's read them together. Me versus I. Excellent. Pronoun, puddle, jump activity. Now, when do we use I and when do we use me? That's a very good question, by the way. Okay, when to use I, the pronoun I? When you are referring to the subject of a sentence or clause. Shanda and I always go together. My mother and I do breakfast every day. I love my mother. So we use I when we talk about ourselves and when we start with ourselves first. If you want to talk about yourself, so you say I. But you can't say me go to school or me love you. No, you need to say I love you because you're talking about yourself. Okay? Now, let's see, when do we use me? When you're referring to the object of a sentence or clause. Will you be coming with me to the store? Okay. We use me after a verb in a sentence, like Dad gave me. So gave is a verb. Me is the pronoun and the book finally. Okay. Now let's see some examples. Now let's see this example here. I will go to the park with my friend. So here I'm telling you, I will go. Now let's see here. My friend will go to the park with, do I say with I or with me? Excellent, with me. Now let's see this example. I like to play outside with you. Would you like to play outside with me or I? Excellent, with me, and so on. Okay, boys and girls. So today we're focusing on the pronoun I and the pronoun me. Great job. Now, get your grammar booklet, please, and let's open it page. Okay, when you get your grammar booklet, you need to open it on page 141. Okay, it's page 141. Okay, now, using I and me. The words I and me are pronouns. Use I in the subject of a sentence. I read a book. So who's the subject? You're talking about yourself. You are the subject. I read a book about kites. Use me after a verb in a sentence, like Dad gave me the book, or Mom helped me with my homework. Miss Ferial teaches me how to do this. Okay? Now here they said write I in the subject of each sentence. So number one, I like to fly kites. My dad and I like to make big kites. Number three, made a long tail my kite. So here they told you to use I. Okay. Number three, sorry, B, you need to write me after the verb in each sentence. So dad, number four, dad helps. Where is the verb? Helps. Excellent. So what do we add here? I, dad helps I, or dad helps me? Bravo, dad helps me make the kite frame. Mom gives. So gives is a verb. Are we going to use I or me? Me. Great job. So mom gives me bright silk to put on the kite. Number six, they watch me fly the kite. Now move to page 142. And let's do this page together. Use the pronoun I in the subject of a sentence. Use the pronoun me in the predicate of a sentence. Okay. Choose the pronoun from the brackets here that belongs in the sentence. Write it on the line. So, want to have a bake sale. Now, remember, we use I at the beginning of the sentence. When you talk about yourself, when you are the subject, when you are the one who is doing this. So here, I want to have a bake sale. Okay. Chat helps. I think you know. Helps I or helps me? Excellent, helps me. Number 3. My mom and, remember, you usually do this mistake. Do we say my mom and me or my mom and I? Bravo, my mom and I make lots of cupcakes. Dad and set up a long table. Dad and I. Excellent. My friends buy some cupcakes from me. Now can get some new books for our school. Okay, and so on. Good luck. I hope it was easy. We finished our lesson. I hope this is easy and clear for all of you, boys and girls. Goodbye.